Once upon a time, Misty began, her scales shimmering in the light. There was a bustling colony of ants that lived in the heart of the forest. These ants were tiny, but they played a huge role in maintaining the balance of nature. Shanu and Nandu leaned in closer, fascinated by the idea of such small creatures having such a big impact. Ants are incredibly hard-working, Misty continued. They live in large colonies, and every ant has a specific job. There are worker ants who gather food, soldier ants who protect the colony, and queen ants who lay eggs to keep the colony growing. The girls could imagine the busy ant colony, with ants scurrying about, each one dedicated to their task. Ants are master builders, Misty said with admiration. They construct intricate underground tunnels and chambers to create their homes. These tunnels not only provide shelter, but also help to aerate the soil. This makes the soil healthier and more fertile, which benefits the entire forest. Shanu and Nandu nodded, understanding how important the ants were to the soil and the plants that grew in it. But ants don't just help with the soil, Misty added. They are also nature's cleaners. They collect dead insects and plant material, breaking it down and returning nutrients to the soil. This process helps to keep the forest clean and the ecosystem balanced. The girls could see the ants working diligently, their small bodies carrying pieces of leaves and tiny insects back to their colony. Ants also play a crucial role in seed dispersal, Misty explained. Some plants have seeds that are specially designed to be carried by ants. The ants take these seeds back to their nests, where they eat the nutritious outer coating and leave the seeds to grow. This helps plants to spread and grow in new areas of the forest. Shanu and Nandu listened intently, amazed at how such small creatures could have such a significant impact on the forest. But what would happen if there were no ants in the forest? Misty asked, her voice taking on a serious tone. Without ants, the soil would become compacted and less fertile. Dead plant material and insects would build up, making the forest unhealthy. Plants would struggle to spread their seeds, and the balance of the ecosystem would be disrupted. The girls looked at each other, realizing how crucial the ants were to the health of the forest. Misty continued, "And did you know that ants have fascinating ways of protecting themselves during rainy seasons? Ants build their nests with intricate drainage systems to prevent flooding. Some species even construct special chambers to store their young and food during heavy rains. When rain is imminent, ants will work together to seal off the entrances to their nests, using soil and plant material to keep the water out. In some cases, ants will create living rafts by linking their bodies together, allowing them to float on water and keep the colony safe." Shanu and Nandu were amazed by the ingenuity and teamwork of the ants. Misty concluded her story, and once more to soak up the sunlight. As the native vegetation returned, so did the insects and small animals that depended on them, bringing back the forest's vibrant ecosystem.